Singapore ada purge. Singapore ada purge. Damn. Okay. Let's try to imagine.
Kau pernah tengok cerita Purge?
Oh yeah.
Macam gitu.
Singapore ada purge. Singapore ada purge. Damn. Okay. Let's try to imagine. Oh, dah expert tau. Okay. So, in the purge situation, what kind of weapon that you can use? Okay, is there any rules regulation?
Pasal if I'm not wrong, the Purge, aku dah lupa-lupa sikit lah. Kalau Purge, you just kill anyone then.
Kill anyone using any kind of equipment you can find lah.
Ada kelas kan?
Is it?
Kelas berapa weapon? Yes, Purge ada.
So kalau kelas pun kau pakai basic weapon je lah.
Aku tahu aku forget the class ni.
Okay, so in Singapore ni ada gun lah.
Okay.
With purge lah. Okay.
So kena ikut ke tak payah ikut? Kalau tak payah ikut then is